Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sell Shiba Inu crypto coin SHIB. So I will be using Binance right here because I think most people will have bought Shiba Inu token on Binance. So first thing to do is to go to your wallet and fiat and spot. And the next thing to do is to look for search coin. You might even find it inside your crypto balance right here if you own a significant amount, but you can just look for search coin and you can search for SHIB, SHIB, and you will see it right here, crypto balance coin Shiba Inu SHIB token. So the next thing to do is you will probably see a balance. I've hidden it right now so you can't see my balance, but I don't own a lot of Shiba right now. But just look for trade and click there, and you can go to either SHIB USD or SHIB USDT. I will use USDT right here, so click right there. And now what will happen is you will sell your Shiba Inu token and you will receive USDT. And you can see buy SHIB and sell SHIB. So here you can actually see my balance. So I have about 9,000 SHIB, I think. So you can see the price, and usually I just keep it right there. And what can happen is you might actually have to change the price later, but I will talk more about that soon. But if you want to sell all your SHIB tokens, you can just drag this one right here to 100%, and you will sell your entire balance of SHIB tokens, and you will see the total amount of USDT you will receive from this. You can also type in the amount of SHIB you want to sell. And the next thing to do is to just click on sell SHIB SHIB token, and it will open a sell order. And as I said, it might not get completed, so just look for open orders. If this one disappears right ahead, you will actually have sold your SHIB tokens. But if it's still showing right here, you might actually have to cancel it and then change the price. And you can see the price at the top right here. So as you can see right now, it's obviously it's around the price that you can see right here, but you might actually have to sell it for a lower, or at least a higher, probably a lower price. Yeah, you will probably have to sell it for a lower price. That makes sense. So you will probably have to type in another amount, make sure it's very close to this amount so you don't sell for too much of a cheap price. And that's basically how it works. So hopefully you found value in this video and know exactly how to sell your SHIB tokens right now. So if you found value in this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials as well. Else, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.